Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? Let me check something really quick. Sorry y'all, but anywho, what is up peeps? Hello. Y'all see Miss Halo over there doing the most. Why are you ramming that? Oh, hi friends. Hi. You say hi. Yes you guys, she is still not currently feeling good. It's Sunday. I didn't go to church this morning because I could have went, but don't you do that. Don't you do that. I could have went, but I didn't go for Miss Halo still has a runny nose, and being that my church has a lot of elderly people, of course if they get sick, you know, they get really down, so I don't want to spread germs. So I was like, you know what, I tap out. I will not go to church today. I had all in my mindset to go, had my clothes ready, her clothes ready and everything, but she was getting better. But I think when we went to Chuck E. Cheese and being around in that kid environment, it flared up her cold again. So just dealing with a cold, but it's that season, so it is what it is. I just got done cooking dinner. I haven't done much today. It is actually what, 2, so the day is almost done. My house is a mess as usual. Like I said, I didn't do nothing. The only thing I did today was I went to Carter's because I have some Carter's cash and I wanted to use it before I lose it. It's like it's free money, so of course why not use it, right? So I went and got Miss Halo some more pajamas for the winter time, so she has 2. I like for her to have more than 1 pair because for some, you know, just change them out. Seems like her pajamas get dirtier than anything, y'all, so that's why. So they have their pajamas on sale for $10 right now. So I had $10 in Carter's cash. So yes, of course, I went and got me some free pajamas. And I went to Target and I picked up Halo. Look at her, y'all. She was over there having a ball. That's what her daddy loves to see. When he sees the videos of her and enjoying herself, he gets so happy. And I do too. But as y'all can see there, I picked up Halo, this Amazon Fire for Kids. Now, I know y'all like Ebony. Don't she got a tablet and she got a knobby. Okay, let me tell y'all the reason why. The tablet, the Apple, is whatever they call it. Y'all know what she had. Somehow it is frozen. It's broken. I cannot get it open or anything for the life of me. And I know it's gonna cost me maybe $100 plus just for me to take it to the Apple store for them to fix it. So it's been like that for a while. And then her knobby, y'all, I think it was just a waste of money. And let me tell you why, because you gotta order so much stuff to put on there, and it's like, it was just too much anyway. So Target has that on sale for, is it 79? Yeah, 79 bucks, as well as Amazon. So of course your girl was like, when I seen the ad this morning, I was like, oh, really? Because it's gonna be perfect for her far as traveling. Now that's the only reason why I got it, because y'all, I'm look. Stop. I'm really freaking out about getting on this plane and just trying to keep her occupied with her ears plugged. I'm terrified. I am. I'm really freaking out. And I was like, what am I going to do? Should I just go take the tablet in and get fixed? But like I said, I know it would probably be $100 plus. So when I seen it, I said, perfect perfect. It's not as big as the other tablet is, and you know, I'm just trying to keep everything to a minimum. So that's the reason why she got it, only because we're gonna be traveling on the airplane. Otherwise than that, she wouldn't have got it, y'all. So I mean, it's to keep her sane and me at the same time, and more for right now, it's more or less me, okay? Because I'm still like, hello, how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do this. I had just got done cooking chicken. I haven't fried chicken in a long time. So that's my fried chicken. And I just did a little bit of corn there. I know it don't look festive, but that's just what I felt like eating today. And now I'm currently washing dishes. I got some in the dishwasher there. And trying to clean up my mess. And that's it, y'all. The girl's not doing, like I said, nothing. It is what it is, y'all. Miss Halo, I'm glad I did. Oh, that's another reason why I'm glad I didn't go to church, because she just had a poop explosion. I know it's just the cold running out with the medicine and everything. So she still got a little virus. And like I said, my church has a lot of elderly, and when they get down, they get truly down. So I don't want to be spreading no germs. So looking out for my fam and my church home. So that's it, y'all. So it wasn't nothing really much for me to vlog today. Look at Halo. Really? You gonna tear it up? Don't you do that. Hey, stop. Halo, do you need to go in timeout? Or get a pow pow? Which one? Huh? Bye-bye. See ya. I keep telling y'all don't get to see half of this. If I had the camera on my forehead, like attached to my head, y'all would see so much stuff. You'd be like, oh my gosh, okay? But yes, you guys, so that is it. I'm gonna finish cleaning up my nasty house. Like seriously, it is nasty. Halo just got through telling me, it smell. Yes, it does smell, along with her shit, and then me cooking and frying chicken. It is what it is. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up. I am uploading a video right now, and I don't look at April and Justin. I have heard about them, but I don't care for their channel, so it's just on now. I'm just being honest. I just put the volume down and I'm cleaning. But I was looking at another one of my family favorite people I like to look at on here on YouTube while I was washing dishes. So that's why my phone is right there. So I'm going to finish cleaning up. Oh, and thank you to Miss Deshawn and Mommy Wolfpack for wishing my mom a happy birthday. I know she appreciates it, and I will be sure to let her know that. I haven't talked to my mom today, so I know I'm bad, I know, but it is what it is. But I'll be sure to let her know. I'll be talking to her tomorrow, because I got to call her tomorrow, and we got to get some things straight as far as us traveling, because she and my grandmother will be going with me to go see Luxury. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I need to get my house clean, because it's like, yeah, it's 3 o'clock, getting close to 3. So your girl needs to kind of wind down. I really need to wind down. And Miss Taylor gonna be mad because that tablet is not fully charged. She gonna be pissed. I have to see if I need Wi-Fi all the time. Ears? You got your ears? They said ears? Let me see. And it has bubble guppies on it, y'all. Oh, she want to show y'all. See? You show them bubble guppies? Yeah, bubble guppy, huh? Her favorite show. So I think that was a winner. Anywho, like I said, I'm gonna get off up here and finish cleaning up my nasty kitchen. And I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I am here washing my dishes, but I hope y'all can see me. I said, let me just finish Chit Chat with my fam. Yeah, baby, you need tissue? She needs tissue. So you guys, I wanted to know, what do y'all think about this on there? Like, you nothing. Ain't nobody got time to be wasting nice, hot, fresh water. But anywho, y'all, what do y'all think about that Kim, Kanye, and Jay-Z situation? Like, seriously, my thoughts on it all, I'm like this. I can understand why Jay and Beyonce don't want to be bothered with Kanye on that end. And he has to realize him and Jay-Z are friends, not Beyonce and Kim Kardashian, West, whatever her name is. So, and then to me, the way they live their family out on TV and the things that they do, if I was in that situation, I would protect my child too, which I have done with my kids as well. You have to be very, very careful of what you expose your kids to. People don't seem to understand that. So for me, like, why is this still like this? I understand where Beyonce coming from, to where she don't deal with Kim Kardashian. And I know, pretty sure, Beyonce got some skeleton in her closets, but it's a difference when you have children and when you want to expose them, when you choose not to expose them to certain things. We all have skeletons in our closets for that matter, but there's some things we choose not to expose to our children, and vice versa. I totally get it. They seem to want to live their life out on TV. That's how they make their money, and with at all costs. But mama don't care who it is and what you are doing. If she can make some money off of it, she's going to expose your ass. And my thing is this, have y'all seen lately, what is her name? Northwest, and how this child had on black lipstick, y'all. Now mind you, wait a minute, because all little girls play in makeup, majority of them do. I know I did. I played in my grandma's, my mama's. Halo just here a couple of weeks ago got into my makeup. But the difference is, when little kids play in makeup, it's all up here, all on their arms, their legs, okay? Just in their hair. It ain't nothing perfect. But one thing about it, that little girl had some black lipstick on. Not that, I'm not saying if it's a difference in black or red, but how her lips was lined up. Like, are you serious? Now, everybody's parenting is different, and then put it all on the internet like that, exposing her and this little girl in lingerie clothes. Like, what are y'all doing? So for me, and my standpoint, knowing that I am a mother of 3 girls, I understand Beyonce's way of thinking. It's like, oh hell no, Beyonce and them don't live their life out on TV. Okay, only when she's in concerts or whatever the case may be. But you barely see them like that. They are a very private family. They don't choose to live their life out on TV. And I can respect it, and especially their child. You have to protect your child from the world. Period. You know what I mean? So I understand that. So why Kanye is all have his panties up in the bunch, want to be mad at Jay-Z because all he did was call. Most men, that's what they do. Are you all right, bruh? If you ain't all right, then they doing something, or they talking to you, whatever. If you say you cool or whatever, it ain't much more. That's what real men do. Real men don't get on the phone. Oh man, this is what happened. Oh, they took my wife's shit in it. A real man let a real man handle his business. That's it. So my thing is, Miss Kanye West, I need you to figure out what you want to be. If you want to be a Bruce Jenner or Caitlyn Jenner, what is it? Because it seems like you on that same fence to me, in my opinion. Okay? Like, I can care less about Kanye. If y'all a fan of him, kudos to you, but I have never ever in my life been a fan of him. I just can't stand him. I really can't. I really can't. But to be all put your business out there, that's some bitch shit. Where you could just easily tell Jay-Z, hey man, this is how I feel about it or whatever, blah 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 blah. I felt you should have did such and such, such and such, such and such. But your wife is okay. I'm just saying, like, even if she ain't okay, but still, what more you want him to go do? Fuck her too? Like what? I don't get it. But anywho, y'all, put y'all thoughts and comments down below on how y'all feel about that. I don't know. I don't do very well that men that like to cry to other men. I just don't. Well, baby, you trying to buy something and we're not buying anything else, okay? Now. There. So, yeah, y'all, just let me know y'all thoughts on that tidbit. And then on top of that, most men don't say if they are gonna do nothing because they don't want shit to be traced. Hello. If something was to go down. Anywho, y'all, I just don't look. That's some person I would never understand. I just really don't understand him, and never ever will I ever. So, yep, that's it on that situation. So I'm gonna finish cleaning. Ooh, it's leaking. My nasty kitchen, y'all. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Put this in another bag.